Buenas noches a todos, espero que estén bien. Bienvenidos a la clase de Español 202 en la Universidad de Arizona. Yo soy la instructora Stephanie Brock González y en este video les voy a mostrar información importante para este semestre. Primero vamos a repasar el sitio de D2L y después vamos a hablar sobre las asignaturas que ustedes van a tener durante el curso. Some basic information about this course on our site is you will find my information here. I'm always available by email, snbrock, B-R-O-C-K, at email.arizona.edu. Again, my name is Stephanie Brock Gonzalez. I have a virtual office hours through Zoom, so if you would like to set up an appointment with me, please let me know. An important thing to remember is everything will be conducted Mountain Standard Time, which is basically Tucson time. So if you ever have any questions about the time zone that you're in and the differences between that and Tucson time, this is here to show you what time it is at in the University of Arizona. If you guys ever have any issues with any type of problems, there's an IT support center here, and it gives you the information that you can contact. There's also a D2L support you can contact as well. This link will take you directly to our textbook. We are using Imagina, the 4th edition through VHL, Vista Higher Learning. If you look on VHL, right, you'll find my name, Stephanie Brock. It does use my maiden name. Under Spanish 202, Fall 209. So make sure you're enrolling in that so you're able to do the activities. If anyone is having any issues waiting for their financial aid to disperse, please contact me, let me know so that I am able to try to help you out with that so you guys can complete the activities that you need to do while you're waiting for financial aid and to get the book. Okay, if you look here, this is going to be our announcements page. The online coordinator has posted a welcome video here. And this is where I'm going to post all the videos throughout the semester. I'll put everything here, and sometimes I'll put it in different places throughout our website, throughout our D2L site. So let's go ahead and explore a little bit so you're able to get some information, some really good information. Okay, so here, this takes you to our table of contents. You should start here where it says start here. And there you'll be able to find information about the course, syllabus, a little bit about myself, how to use D2L, and the prerequisites you should have for this course. Specifically and through the syllabus, there's a few things I wanted to note. You'll have here the technology requirements, a description of the course, the learning outcomes that you have, how assignments are graded and the breakdown of grades, and as well descriptions of the assignments. Before we get that, I do want to make sure that you have this information. Since we are an online course, you have all the due dates already, and I will show you where those are. So since we have all the due dates already laid out, there's going to be no late assignments accepted. The only way that we accept any type of assignments is if there is a medical excuse with specific dates that you are out of work. So please keep that in mind, that all due dates are strictly enforced and there will be no type of extensions throughout the semester. Okay, here we talk about the oral presentations, the midterms, the finals, partner dialogues, compositions, the VHL activities, as well as your participation in the course. And these are, they're very detailed here. If you have any questions, please let me know. One thing that I also do want to point out is that there is a certain way students and instructors are expected to interact in an online course. So please review this information, especially here, as it shows you how to outline your emails to your professor. And that's not just for myself, but you should consider this for all the professors that you have. As well, it's mandatory for you to watch all videos every week. So please make sure that you're watching those videos. And if you still have questions afterwards, please email me or get a hold of me. You should receive between Monday and Friday, you'll have the instructor has 24 hours to respond to your email. And as well, on Saturdays and Sundays, instructors are not required to answer emails. And since all of our course assignments are due on Sunday, please make sure that you're emailing me Friday no later than 4 p.m. Arizona time so that I'm able to try to get back to you, because after that, I don't revise my email and I won't read it again until Monday. So make sure that you're keeping in touch with that. Okay, so let's go back to content. And here we have all the modules throughout the semester. We're going to start first with Module 1. And we have the Module 1 overview page. So expect every time that a new module opens that you'll have access to this. And in this video, I go over what to expect for Module 1. The assignments here are at a glance, the text is available, as well as the objectives. Okay, so you'll have all that information for each module. And if we go back to table of contents, you also here have all the important due dates for the semester, and it outlines everything that you need to do for the whole course. Okay, and it's divided by modules, module 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the class list gives a list of everybody that is in the class, of course. We have the grades where you'll find your grades. Under assignments is where you will be turning in a few things, such as the compositions and the feedback journal. Quizzes, this is where you will go to submit your syllabus quiz. It is here already available. It looks like some people have already taken it, as well as the compositions, and we'll discuss those a little bit more in detail as the time gets closer. The groups is where you will find your partner for the partner dialogues. So you've already been assigned a partner for the oral partner dialogues. You'll find that information here, the group number that you're in, as well as the person who is your partner. So once you click on your group number and you see who your partner is, you should go to class list. You can search for them or go through the list to see if you can find them. If you do have any issues finding the email address or the name of your partner and they're not on the class list, please let me know. Send me an email. And then Zoom is what we will be using for our oral finals and midterms as well. And then if we ever meet for office hours, we will meet through Zoom. Okay, and this is where you'll be able to use it. So welcome to the class. I'm really excited to spend this semester with you all. I really look forward to learning with you, and I hope that you guys enjoy the class as well. If you do have any questions, please let me know.